Right now, cinematic historical mystery videos are going crazy viral across TikTok and YouTube. These atmospheric stories about hidden underground cities and lost colonies are getting millions of views because they reveal secrets the history books missed. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can create these high-production documentaries too. Step by step, completely from scratch. Open the link for the Kronos Hidden Files GPT I left in the description. It opens right inside your ChatGPT account. Click on the Start Chat button. Now you need to type in a location or a mystery. For this example, type in the Titanic's unheard stories. Hit enter. The GPT will start researching and building your story. It generates exactly 5 chronological story beats that reveal hidden history. You will see the first beat appear with a dramatic title. Underneath that, there is a suspenseful sentence explaining a little-known fact. Below the fact, you will see a grey code block. Inside that block is a ready-to-use image prompt. Look at the top right corner of that grey code block. Click the copy button. This copies the entire prompt for the first scene. If you want a full script for your narration, just type "write a voiceover script for these beats" into the chat. The GPT will generate a dramatic script that matches your 5 scenes perfectly. Now open Google Flow. This is where we turn those prompts into cinematic visuals. Click on the Create New Image button. You will see a text field at the very top of the page. Paste your first prompt from the GPT right there. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Nano Banana 2. This is the specific model that handles high contrast cinematic lighting and historical details the best. Look for the aspect ratio settings on the side. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you are making a short, or 16:9 for a standard video. Click Generate. Go back to GPT. Paste copy your second prompt and paste it again. Click Generate again. Do this for all 5 prompts the GPT gave you. Once all 5 images are generated, click the download button on each one to save them to your computer. Now we need to turn these static images into atmospheric video clips. Go to Flex Clip, click on the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image, which represents your first story beat. Now look for the model selector. Choose Seedance 2.0 Fast because it provides the best stability for cinematic movements. In the motion prompt field, type a short description of how the camera should move. Type something like slow cinematic zoom in, click the Generate button and let it render. When the clip is finished, download it. Now clear the uploader and bring in your second image. Paste your next motion description like slow pan to the right. Click Generate. Repeat this for all 5 images until you have 5 distinct video clips. One more thing before we move on. You can download the reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate an image in Google Flow, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures the Weathered Explorer character looks consistent across every single scene in your story. Now your video needs a suspenseful soundtrack. Go to Flex Clip. In the search bar, type Cinematic Dark Mystery. Browse the results and pick a track with deep bass and a sense of tension. Download the track. Now go to the sound effects section in Flex Clip. Search for deep cinematic impacts, type wind ambience. Download 2 or 3 of these effects to add depth to your transitions. For the narration, stay in Flex Clip. Click on the text-to-speech tool. Paste the voiceover script the GPT wrote for you into the text field. Browse the voice library and pick a voice that sounds intriguing and dramatic. Click Generate and download the audio file. Now open the Flex Clip editor. Import all 5 of your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in chronological order. Lay the voiceover track on top and align the clips so the visuals match the facts being told. Drop your music track underneath and lower the volume to about 20% so it doesn't drown out the voice. Add your cinematic impacts at the start of each new scene. Trim any silence at the beginning or end of your clips. Your video is ready.
The flaw hidden inside the unsinkable. They called Titanic unsinkable, but buried inside her very design was a quiet weakness almost no one talked about.
But now you need to get it seen. You could upload manually, but to grow fast, you should use a scheduling tool. If you are just starting out, use Metricool to manage your posts across different platforms. If you want the most professional setup, use Vista Social. Upload your video, write one title and description, and schedule it to hit YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels all at once. You can schedule an entire month of historical mysteries in a single afternoon.